If you've ever logged onto your WordPress website only to find your header menu has mysteriously disappeared, don't worry, you're definitely not alone, and today we're going to fix that together. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how to find out why your menu isn't showing up, and more importantly, how to get it back where it belongs. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly what to do if this ever happens again, keeping your website easy to navigate and looking professional. Let's jump right in. The most common culprit behind a missing header menu is that the menu exists, but it hasn't been properly assigned to the spot your theme expects, the primary or header location. Think of your WordPress menus like sets of directions. You can draw the map, but unless you tell WordPress where to display it, your visitors will never see those routes. Fixing this is straightforward, and the specific actions will depend on whether your site uses a classic WordPress theme or a newer block theme, sometimes called full site editing or FSE. If you're using a classic theme, and if you're not sure, most themes before 2022 are classic, start by heading over to your WordPress dashboard and finding Appearance in the left-hand menu. Click on Menus. Now double-check that the right menu is selected at the top. If you have more than one, make sure you're working with the one you want to appear in your header. Next, scroll down to the section labeled Menu Settings. Here, where a lot of people get tripped up, there will be checkboxes representing different locations defined by your theme. Look for the one that says Primary Menu or something similar like Header Menu. This is your target. Make sure that box is checked. This tells WordPress, hey, I want this menu to be my main navigation at the top of my site. Once you've done that, always remember to click Save Menu. Sometimes forgetting this last click means your change won't take effect. If you reload your site now, you should see your menu shining in its rightful place. If it's still missing, double-check those settings and hit Save again. Sometimes it can be as simple as a missed checkbox. Now, if you're using a block theme, such as the new default themes that come with recent versions of WordPress, the process is a little bit different, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it. Start by going to Appearance, but this time select Editor. This opens the full site editor. Find the header template part on your site preview. This is essentially where all your header elements live, including the navigation menu. If you don't see your menu there, look for a little plus icon, usually at the top or side. It's used for adding new blocks. Click that and add a navigation block. After adding the navigation block, you'll see an option to choose an existing menu. Select the menu you created earlier. This links your custom menu directly to the header area. Think of this step like hanging your favorite photo in exactly the right spot on your living room wall. You've got to choose the photo, and then pick the best place to make sure everyone sees it as soon as they come in. After you've added your menu, don't forget to click Save or Update in the editor to lock in your changes. That's it. Restoring your missing header menu isn't as hard as it might seem, and now you know exactly where to look if it disappears again. I hope this tutorial made things clear and easy to follow. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button. It really helps me out. And if you have any questions or ran into a unique situation, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.